In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to create stunning, eye-catching, and professional text designs in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and start a new project. I'm choosing the resolution 900 by 1200, but you can use any size depending on your design. Now, go to the Elements panel on the left side. Scroll to the Shapes section and select a basic rectangle or square. Place the shape onto your canvas and resize it according to the layout you want. To change the color, simply click the color box at the top and choose black. Next, go to the text section and click on Add a heading. Double-click the text box and type your word. I'm writing home. Now adjust the text so that it fits nicely inside the long black shape. Check different fonts and select the one that looks best. Also, adjust the line spacing to make everything look balanced. Go back to Elements, choose a square shape again, and place it on your canvas. Resize it so it fits neatly behind the letter H. Repeat the same process for OM and E. This will give each letter its own background, shape, and make your text stand out once everything looks perfect. It's time to download the design. Click Download and save the image. Now upload the PNG back into Canva. Delete the original shapes and text from the canvas and replace them with the PNG version you just uploaded. This helps us apply cleaner effects without having to edit each layer separately. Select your uploaded PNG image. Click on Edit, then choose Background Remover. After the background is removed, scroll in the Edit panel and choose the Duotone effect. In Duotone, change both colors to white. This gives your text a modern, bright, minimal look. Next, still in the Edit panel, go to Shadows and select Glow. Set the glow color to black. Then adjust the blur, opacity, and size until your text gets a smooth outer glow effect. This adds depth and helps the text pop from the background. Now, go to Elements and search for the keyword Home. Choose a background picture you like. It could be a modern interior, a wall texture, or any home-themed aesthetic image. Place the image on the canvas so it fits the full background. Select the image. Open the Layers panel on the right and drag the background image layer below the text PNG so your text stays on top. And that's it. Our beautiful, clean, and stylish text design is ready. You can now adjust the final colors, move elements around, or try different background textures until you're fully satisfied. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more Canva design ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's see how amazing your designs turn out.